Let me see, Amelia.
Tear them up. Boy, if that ain't me.
Let me see, Amelia. Jeez, I got it.
Daddy, I don't care if it's rain or
Let me get a little picture of it.
You don't care if it's rain or shine? You gonna get him off? We need to tell Daddy.
Let's take them off.
Man, will you go get Sissy some bait? No.
You going to get wet anyway? Only a little baby piece. Need me to help him?
It's through its nose.
Let's get a hook set.
Do you know what his name is?
What?
Shiner.
Little shiner to shiner.
Daddy, can you put him on there?
No.
No.
You want to do it all yourself.
You call that? Huh? You call that?
You going to put you some more bait on?
Bait.
Amelia?
Got one won't do a DIY.
Rain's biting.
Million. A little piece, baby.
I want to be big.
You don't use all the bait, huh?
Huh?
You don't use all the bait. You know what I'm doing. Turn the pole the other way. Mia, flip the pole the other way.
There,
Yeah.
flip the pole.
There you go.
I throw it and then I do it.
Get it, let's get it. Get there. Get there, old DIY.
You got one, me?
I just